Do you want to add an attention-grabbing alert box to your Elementor site without touching a single line of code? Learn to add and customize one in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through each menu step by step, from editing the page to styling and advanced settings. To start, go to your home page and edit it with Elementor. You'll see a highlighted area, so click on that highlight. Then click on the next highlighted element that appears. Now, look for the General tab and click on it. Then click on General again to open up the alert options. From there, click on Alert to select the Alert widget. Click on Type to pick the kind of alert you want. Next, click on Title to enter a title for your alert. Then click on Content to add your message. Click on Dismiss icon if you want a close button. And finally, click on Icon to select an icon. Now move over to the Style tab to adjust how it looks. Finish by clicking on Advanced for more settings, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.